Hey, good morning everyone. How's everybody doing today? Happy Sunday. I hope you had a good night's rest. Today is Sunday, but I've decided to come on quickly just to talk to you. It's Sunday, but do you know what? Because of the kind of life we live here abroad, where you have to pay all the bills, even Sunday, you do not have time to rest. You're picking shift upon shift, tiring yourself out, which makes you don't even have time for your family, for your kids, your children, your loved ones. You don't have the time because all you do is work. Even Sunday, you do not rest. You don't have time to rest. But you know what? If you do not take a break, to take that time to reflect, to see how you can come out from this 9 to 5 routine that you've put yourself because you think there is no way out. Let me tell you something. There is a way out. There is a way out, but you've been stuck in that place because you think that is how life should be. No, I was like you. Coming to England, doing my master's, and then I got married because I met my English husband, my Uyibo husband. I got married. And we're blessed with 2 beautiful kids. You know how life can be here in England. That you don't have time because all you do is work. Because you have to pay the bills. But come on, especially people like me that have relocated from different countries to abroad to live. Let me tell you this. You don't want to do the same mistake that I made where you do not take care of yourself because all you do is work, and you don't have time for yourself, your family, no self-care time. No time for your family, no time for your children. Me and my husband, we don't even have couple time just because what we do is work. But do you know what? If you do not take a break, you're going to really stress yourself out, and you don't want that. You don't want to be burnt out. You don't want to be burnt out. There is a way out. There are options there. And that is why I'm here to introduce my business to you today. And that is why I'm here to share this business opportunity with you. If you're that busy parents that don't have time for yourself, your children, because all you do is work, get in touch with me. Let's chat. Register with your name and your email address to give you the free access to our free webinar that explains this business model. Oh, look at the bio. You'll see my WhatsApp number. Send me a WhatsApp message so I can show you how you can do this. If you're that busy parent that is looking for a way to come out of your busy schedule and you don't know how to come out of this, this is for you. It's Sunday. You do not have to be in that routine that you... Come on. That's my princess number 1. I love you.
Love you too, Mommy.
Okay. So you see, here in England, we do not have time because all we do is work. Even Sunday, you don't have time to be there with your children, with your kids. What are you doing? If you're looking for ways where you want to be there with your kids and still be there to provide for your family, get in touch. All right? And just say bye.
Bye.
All right.